doing this traffic advisor light bar. Gonna put it in my truck back window of my 2002 Quadra Steer Denali. Let's check out what is in here. Comes with your instructions, extra adhesive pads if you need more help. You have things to put in the window, the suction cups, plenty of those. And here's the light bar right here with controller. You can see super long, this controller has sticky mount on it, all the buttons to do everything you want, super long cord, 12 volt plug-in accessories. So I'm going to get this all mounted up and up here, tons of cable to get it wherever you mount. And then I have this, I put these going towards the side, these cables, so you can tuck them out of the way. Nice. You could even put this up like under your headliner to really mount it. And if you follow that, I ran this down and then over to here for the plug and the controller. There's still tons of cables. You could run this in a big truck. You'd have no problem. Another thing I really like, it comes with this adapter if you want to hardwire it into your system instead of having your 12 volt used. It also comes with mounting hardware if you want to mount these like on some sort of steel bracket, just nut and screw mount them instead of with the suction cups. So that's a great feature. And you come with these extra adhesives if they fall off the suction cups, but this is really they're really on there good, so I wouldn't worry about that at all. Just overall nice product. And now I'm going to turn them on and display it when it's dark so we can really check it out. All right, now to demonstrate the traffic lights, you can see, look how far back you can move this controller. That's pretty cool that I can do it here. Turn it on. Here's some flashing, and you can change the pattern here. And I like that they label them. There's one, just steady on. Little strobe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Providing a good light, definitely will be noticed. Plenty of patterns to choose from for whatever you like. And if you turn it off, it saves wherever you are. So you'll probably end up using the same one for most of the time. So that's a nice feature. There's 26 overall. You can even just do a few like this, where you're just making it go where you want, and then just solid. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.